welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So today I will be recreating one of my makeup looks I've done a year back using this eyeshadow palette from Givenchy, and a lot of you asked me to recreate this eye makeup using more affordable products. So as you can see in the picture, it is a smoky deep orange look. So let's get down to business. Okay, so now firstly I will apply all over my lids this eye pencil from Essence. It is a deep brown color. This is how it looks like. This one is in the number 2 hot chocolate, and I like this formula. It is slightly creamy and you can blend it beautifully with an eyeshadow brush. So I will create like small strokes here all over my eyelid, just like that, and then here as well. And now I will take an eyeshadow brush. This one is from BH Cosmetics, the Studio Pro in the number 6, and I will blend this color out. And the same color I will use here on my lower lashes, and I will smudge it. I will add some more here on the outer part of my eyelid to give that depth to my look. And I will take again an eyeshadow brush to blend that out. And you can make it darker by applying some more if you want, or you can leave it like that. But I'll just add some more because I want to make it like super smoky. Now I will take the Galaxy Chic eyeshadow palette from BH Cosmetics. You can find it in every drugstore. And I will take from this palette the shade Venus and apply it with my finger. Okay, so now I will use a flat eyeshadow brush and take some more of this orange color, and I will press it down to my lids to make this color pop. Now, using Aurora Lights, another palette from BH Cosmetics, I will take Sparkling and I'll apply it on the other half of my lower lashes. Now, this isn't exactly the color that I was looking for, but it's like the only light yellow color with a shimmer in it that I own, so I had to go with it. So let me show you the yellow from the Givenchy palette. So this is it. See, it's very pigmented and you can clearly see it. And this is the Sparkling from the BH Cosmetics. See, I mean, it is there, but it's not like exactly the same, if that makes sense. But it is working. You know, you will be having like the same result by using this color. Anyway, now before I apply my false lashes, I will take a black pencil and a wing liner, and I will take some of this pigment here into my brush and apply it super close to my lash line, to the upper lashes. Okay, so now I'll curl my lashes like that, and I'll take my false lashes. These ones are from Ardell Beauty, another brand you can find on the drugstore, and I like to cut my lashes in half and use, you know, just the half of it on each eye, because I like to, you know, make like this cut eye effect without doing without necessarily doing a cut eye, if that makes any sense. If not, then you will see in a minute. Okay, so I'm applying some glue here to my lashes. I will let it dry for about 30-40 seconds. So can you see the difference? I mean, it makes the eye like really pop and, you know, very beautiful with the definition and all of that. Next, I'll add some mascara, and I'm using the Maybelline one, and I'll apply on the upper and lower lashes as well. Okay, so now for the lips, I will be combining two products. On the first video that I've done, I have used a lipstick from Givenchy. So today, obviously, I'm showing you the alternatives that you can use. So firstly, I have a lipstick from L'Oreal, Guava Plump. It is beautiful. Slightly shimmery pink shade, a very creamy formula. It is amazing. And then I have a liquid lipstick from Catrice, and this is the 020 Confidence Key. It's again a very beautiful, a light movie kind of shade. So I'm gonna be combining these two babies here, and hopefully you will match the shade that I have used on the first makeup look. So let's try this. So firstly, I will use the lipstick. And now on top of that, I will use the liquid lipstick, and hopefully it won't be a total mess. So now to apply this, I will use a lip pencil, and let's see the mess that it will come out of it. And I think we are done. So this is my final look, using some alternatives, some drugstore products to recreate my first video of this makeup look. Let me know in the comments below if you guys like it, and if you like the products that I've used to recreate it. Let me know in the comments below. Now before you leave, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!